Welcome to Simply English, an educational channel.
We will look at some commonly used abbreviations for tech and the internet.
AI stands for Artificial Intelligence.
AI stands for Artificial Intelligence.
HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language.
HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language.
CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets.
CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets.
URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator.
URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator.
IP stands for Internet Protocol.
IP stands for Internet Protocol.
HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure.
HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure.
ISP stands for Internet Service Provider.
ISP stands for Internet Service Provider.
USB stands for Universal Serial Bus.
USB stands for Universal Serial Bus.
RAM stands for Random Access Memory.
RAM stands for Random Access Memory.
ROM stands for Read-Only Memory.
ROM stands for Read-Only Memory.
CPU stands for Central Processing Unit.
CPU stands for Central Processing Unit.
IoT stands for Internet of Things.
IoT stands for Internet of Things.
SQL stands for Structured Query Language.
SQL stands for Structured Query Language.
OS stands for Operating System.
OS stands for Operating System.
DNS stands for Domain Name System.
DNS stands for Domain Name System.
LAN stands for Local Area Network.
LAN stands for Local Area Network.
WAN stands for Wide Area Network.
WAN stands for Wide Area Network.
VPN stands for Virtual Private Network.
VPN stands for Virtual Private Network.
MAC stands for Media Access Control.
MAC stands for Media Access Control.
SMS stands for Short Message Service.
SMS stands for Short Message Service.
MMS stands for Multimedia Messaging Service.
MMS stands for Multimedia Messaging Service.
Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity.
Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity.
Thanks for watching this video from Simply English, an educational channel for all ages and all stages. If you're new to this channel and enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button. If you have any suggestions, please mention them in the comments section. Take care, and goodbye.